Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Costco Weekly. We are about to head off to the store now. Farmer John is with me. We're off on a little bit of a special shopping trip. Hopefully we'll keep our fingers crossed. Today is March 13th. We planned on having this as a vacation day so we could continue working on our garden projects that we have outstanding, but instead it's rainy and gloomy, feeling very March. So we're going to take the opportunity for Farmer John to come along with me to Costco for a special haul, and let's go see what we find at Costco. Guys, so we came here today to look at the Gardenworks Pro EV mower. It is a pricey, going to be an expensive day today, but we came to the conclusion that something like this was going to make sense for us. So we had to do it on a day where Farmer John could lift the box, because I think it weighs like 90 pounds, and we're going to be bringing this bad boy home. All right, so we have this on a flatbed. Is it heavy? Awkward?
Yeah, just awkward, not heavy.
Here's a new item. This is 3 pots for $21.50. They don't seem like they're like the best quality, but something like this is a good size because it wouldn't take too much soil to fill it up. And these are great for the patio. I'm gonna turn it over and see if it has a draining thing inside. Yeah, so look at that. It's pre-perforated for drainage. So, I don't know. I might need this because I have some stuff coming in the mail. This is also a new item for $42.99. Wind spinner. Ooh, look. I love these things. And this having our Plow and Hearth store local in Marlton. They closed it down. Wow, 22-foot by 12-foot pool. This is interesting. Now we're just moving into summer stuff. I usually see people looking for this stuff on our local Costco page. Yikes. Seems scary to swim in these chemicals. All right, we are back. That was a Costco haul with Farmer John. This is a very rare occurrence. So we're going to turn the camera around and show you what we got today, and we're going to give you some ideas on why it is that we decided to do this today. All right, so we got our usual weekly haul of stuff, which is always my fresh spinach, avocados, bananas, blueberries, pecans, baby spinach. I always get 4 containers of baby spinach a week, but I can't help myself. I am addicted to these seasonal flowers. We got 2 types of Dicentra, Bleeding Heart. The reason I got this is because we watched the Dainty Dress Diaries. Catherine Carton, her name is, from Ireland. She's such a lovely girl. She was talking about this morning, and I'm like, okay. We walked in the store, and this here was just, it was sitting here. It was sitting there, called out my name, saying that it's deer resistant and it's a shade plant. So this is going to be good for the front project that we're working on, and that continues on. But the real reason that Farmer John came with me today was to get this this lawnmower here. So we'll be pulling this out of the vehicle now, and we'll talk a little bit about it. All right, so Farmer John here, he's a pretty strong guy, so I would recommend this box. They're saying weighs 80 pounds.
90.
Make sure, or yeah, 90 pounds. Make sure you have a back brace on. This is a good brand, by the way, you guys. For anyone, even if I've been meaning to highlight this. This is not a Costco product, but if you have a bad back, or even if you don't have a bad back, this is like, you know, a prophylaxis for a bad back. You can just get this, keep this on, protect your lower back at all times. It works good if your back is out and you need to stuff some ice packs down in it. It's really, this has been, and we both have this, an excellent back brace.
It keeps
Anyway,
my back straight while I'm lifting.
I have attention deficit. So, all right, here we go. Yay. So, now, it's okay, it's okay. Here we go. So, this saying it cuts over 3/4 of an acre on a single charge, up to 65 minutes of runtime. It is a 21-inch self-propelled mower. The deck is 21 inches wide. It stores vertically, which I thought was really interesting. Now, you know, our regular mower does not do that. So it comes with 2 batteries. They're saying that it has a 40% lifetime savings because there's no gas, no oil, no belts, no filters, no spark plugs, no maintenance. Sounds like a deal to me. They talk about its ability to run efficiently over tall, wet grass, and that there are, look at this, easy to use, no pull cords, no emissions, no fumes, low noise, no messy spills. I mean, this sounds like a deal to me. There is a double warranty on it.
For Costco members.
What is this? A bonus high lift mower blade included. I'll have to read about that. I don't really know what that means. But it has some nice big wheels on it. It's equivalent to 150 cc's of gas. I don't really know what that means. So, I mean, I thought this looked like a pretty interesting machine. So when you order this online, you can order it direct from Greenworks, but it doesn't have the extra battery. And I think that it said that the warranty is doubled because it's a Costco purchase.
For Costco members.
Now, we are not running this today. We probably won't even assemble it today. We got it a little bit early. It was not on sale yet. It probably will go on sale within the next 2 or 3 weeks, which is ample time for me to just take my receipt back to the register and get the sale price if it should go on sale. Now, this is only a 21-inch deck, and we have a half an acre here. But because we have reduced our lawn so substantially with the purpose of reducing emissions, reducing gas dependency, reducing just the strenuous activity that goes along with pushing a gas mower. Now, we do have a 33-inch deck Cub Cadet. It is a Pro Series. It's my broom. My ego is going to miss pushing that giant mower. I mean, the landscapers out here see this mower out here and they look at us like we're absolutely crazy. I have been cutting the lawn for over 30 years now. And I'm getting older. It's time to stop. Farmer John can cut the grass, but go ahead, make faces. It's not your thing. It's not your thing. Because I do a better job, quite frankly. I do a good job. I do a job to the level of the landscapers
She
out
likes
here.
the way she does it, and that's okay.
I make good lines. And the thing is, I can't be in a zero-turn mower or even a riding mower because of the seriousness of my back injury. And sitting in the compression and the bouncing is worse than if I were to just stand and push the mower. And could we hire landscapers? We could, absolutely. But I really just don't want all that going on my property. The birds get upset. I get upset. They do things different than I would. And
they just show up.
They just show up. And, you know, the grass can be soaking wet. We've seen them out here in the rain, and it's not good for your grass. So we've reduced the lawn so much that a smaller mower like this is going to be easier for the front lawn in particular. So this, because of the way it stores vertically, we'll be back to storing a mower in the garage during the summer months. And then we'll just store it back in the shed in the winter. And I'll probably keep the Cub Cadet active in the backyard because that's such a big space still. But we'll see. So we are going to go ahead and get this thing set up. We're going to do a test run because it was a mild winter here. The grass continued to grow all through the winter. I was cutting the grass into December this year, and I'll be starting it this month while we're still in March. And we are going to do a separate video for you of taking it out of the box or an unboxing. We will show it how it charges up. We will show it in operation, and we'll give you our opinion on how we think it propels, the drag, the cut, the height of the cut, all of those things. We are very experienced lawn keepers at this point with over 30 years of experience. So anyway, that was our Costco haul for today, which was unusual for us. So anyway, stay tuned for the Greenworks Ultra Pro lawnmower review, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you guys.